Imagine a hand planer that can cut a rabbet of literally any depth without leaving a stepped edge. That is exactly what makes this heavy-duty beast stand out in a crowded market of woodworking tools. Now, for those familiar with the previous model, this is the updated Imperial version. Honestly, the tool itself is identical to its predecessor, but the big change is on the depth scale, which now reads in inches and fractions. It is a small tweak, but for anyone tired of doing mental math in the middle of a project, it is a very welcome update. What really sets this machine apart is the single-knife spiral cutter head. Instead of the traditional straight blades that chop at the wood, this spiral design shears the fibers at an angle. The result is an incredibly smooth, chatter-free finish that sounds surprisingly quiet. It feels less like a screaming power tool and more like a precision instrument. Plus, changing the single blade is a breeze compared to aligning double-knife systems. Now here is the thing that will make cabinet makers drool: the flush-cut side design. Because the cutter head goes all the way to the edge, and the spring-loaded guard retracts out of the way, there is no limit to how deep a rabbet can be cut. It just keeps going. Adjusting the depth is handled by the main rotary grip, allowing for micro-adjustments down to a tiny 1/256th of an inch. That is almost microscopic precision. On the flip side, at nearly 15 pounds, this is a heavy piece of cast iron. While that weight is fantastic for keeping the tool stable and flat on a workbench, using it on vertical surfaces or overhead is going to give anyone a serious shoulder workout. Also, while the option to swap heads for rustic, hand-hewn textures is amazing, those extra heads are sold separately, which adds to an already premium price tag. Still, for anyone demanding absolute precision and flawless finishes, this tool delivers exactly what is expected. It is a serious investment, but the sheer capability and dust extraction efficiency make it incredibly hard to beat.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.